Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your bag on the American Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. And after that you should slide up and click on the track your bags button, which is the first option. Then you should type in your check to agree the content and click on continue. Then you should type in your last name and your either set the record locator or the bag tag number. And then you should as you search by the record locator, you should type in your record locator confirmation code and then click on the search button, and then you will be able to track your bags if you have typed it in correctly. Or you can also search by the bag tag number, so type in your bag tag and click on the search button and you will be able to keep track of your bags from check-in to touchdown. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.